Hi, I'm Rob Snow. I'm a professional award-winning illustrator working in the industry for the past 25 years. I'm here on FiverrPro to introduce you to my gigs and to show you some of my work. Each gig will be produced in a high quality rendered illustration with a selection of possible themes and combination, ranging from pet portraits to family caricatures through to high-end illustrations, each in a set of 3 variations. The choice is simply yours. All completed in my unique and recognisable style in a selection of formats to suit your requirements. I use traditional and digital skills on the latest technology to enhance the detail, which is my signature style and will help your work shine. Take a look, and if you have any questions, just ask, and I hope to work with you very soon.